की इस नाट्य प्रस्तुति में मैं IIS डीम्ड टू बी यूनिवर्सिटी की ओर से आज की मुख्य अतिथि महोदया श्रीमती रत्ना पाठक शाह और समस्त दर्शक गणों का हार्दिक स्वागत करती हूँ। IIS डीम्ड टू बी यूनिवर्सिटी राजस्थान का एकमात्र अंग्रेजी माध्यम से मानित विश्वविद्यालय है जो कि सभी विषयों में स्नातक और स्नातकोत्तर शिक्षा का एक उच्च स्तरीय केंद्र है। छात्राओं के समग्र विकास को ध्यान में रखते हुए विश्वविद्यालय द्वारा समय समय पर अनेक सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम आयोजित किए जाते हैं। इसी की एक कड़ी है आज की ये नाट्य प्रस्तुति, एक भूत की आत्मकथा।
It is my pleasure to introduce our chief guest for the occasion, Miss Ratna Pathak Shah, who is a renowned film, theatre and TV artist best known for her iconic portrayal of Maya Sarabhai in the acclaimed sitcom Sarabhai vs. Sarabhai. Having featured in multiple commercially successful films, she has also received a lot of critical acclaim for her role in the black comedy Lipstick Under My Burqa, for which she was felicitated at the London Asian Film Festival and the Ottawa Indian Film Awards. She has also been nominated numerous times under various categories over the course of her career. Now stepping into the digital entertainment world, the veteran actress will soon be seen as a headstrong headmistress of an academy in the Netflix original Selection Day. We welcome you, ma'am. I now request our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. Ashok Gupta, to formally greet and welcome Ms. Ratna Pathak Shah with a toast. Thank you, sir.
नन्हे से दीपक से सजाई बाती, रोशनी फैली चारों तरफ, निखर गई ज्योति। प्रेरणा बनकर सबकी दिखाना रहा है नजर, दीप तुम जलते रहना यूं ही निरंतर। The lighting of the lamp is an integral part of our culture and the tradition is also followed at our university. I therefore request our chief guest, Ms. Ratna Pathak Shah, Honorable Vice Chancellor Dr. Ashok Gupta and Registrar Dr. Rakhi Gupta to please come forward and light the lamp. May I also request the event coordinators Dr. Aditi R. Khandelwal and Dr. Priyanka Verma to kindly join them.
Thank you all. The Theatrical Society of the IIS University organized a month-long workshop under the invaluable professional guidance of the play's director, Mr. Shiv Prasad Tumu from Andhra Pradesh, and the acting trainers, Mr. Jagannath Seth from Odisha and Mr. Mahesh Ghodeswar, who hails from Gujarat. All three of them are graduates of the prestigious National School of Drama and have significant experience in the field of theatre. A total of 60 students underwent rigorous training for 30 days to put together the presentation that you are about to witness shortly. Ek Bhoot Ki Atmakatha, a dramatization of the famous Telugu novel by K.N.Y. Patanjali, is a political satire on the hypocrisy of the society. Through portraying the characters of the story as animals, the play depicts the darker side of human society and human nature. The connecting threads of the story are the characters of the devil and Gandharv. Gandharv leads the devil to get some transformative insights about the world, his own self, and his ill-conceived idea of writing an autobiography. So ladies and gentlemen, here's presenting Ek Bhoot Ki Atmakatha.